So this is my app.js file where all the routes are rendered from app.js files. This is my project hierarchy. Whenever user login with username and password, then he go to the profile page. After that he will see the home page where all the other components are available. I will explain to you all these components in details as we proceed. So I will just open a login page first. This is my login page. If the user put the wrong username or input, suppose I have put the wrong password in password field, it will show the error message user and password didn't match. Okay, and if the user put the right password, like this, the profile page will be appear. And if you see in the console, if you go to the cookies, it will show the JWT token will be stored in the form of key and values. After that, I will just select any profile. If you select any profile, you will be redirected to the home page of Movies app. This is the top container where movie details will be shown, and it will change dynamically if we refresh the page. The different movie poster each time, every time you refresh pages. In the home page, there are three main components: trending now, top rated, and originals. If we go to the home page, we will see trending now, movies, originals, and top rated component. And header and footer components will available all through the app. If the movies API failed to get a response from API, it will show error message. Let me just show you. If we got a JWT token from Google cookies, then API trending movies API URL will be fetched using get method, and then if the response is okay, I will just log out the data so you can understand better. This is the mobile view. If you go to the console, you will get the response, and response status will be okay. If this will be okay, then data will be fetched, and the similar and at the similar time it will be converted into JSON. After each time I have refreshed the page, the poster will be changed due to this this line. This line generally takes an array and change the movie poster each time whenever user will refresh the page. Here you can see the initial poster state has an empty array, and you will get the updated data after the fetching API. This state will be called here whenever this initial poster will be called here. This is a three API state. First, the first state of API is the initial state. If we got response as a success, the API state will be changed, and we get a success view. If the API failed to respond, then we get a failure view. And while in progress, we will show the loader API status in progress. Whenever API status will be in progress, you will see the loader, this one, render loading view. Here it is, render loading view. Suppose if I change the API status here, suppose I have put it here as a failure and save this. You can see the error message will be appear, and we can use the try again better. Try again. Whenever we click a try again button, on try, this dot get homepage poster method will be again called. Let me change this to the success view. Now you can see the poster will be rendered back. Similar to the trading now component, top rated component, and original component. So let me display you the error message on trading now component. Here is my trading now component. I will just change the API state to failure, so we can see the error message. If the API failed to fetch the data from API, then you will see something went wrong, please try again message. And if you click on try again, it will try to re-render the component. And this is the header component. If we click the movies logo, we will go to the home page of the movie app. Similarly, home component, it will also render the home page whenever you click. If we click, this is the footer component. All these social icons are provided here. If we click on a popular, you will see all the movies are rendered. All the popular movies will be rendered. And you can see here is the path is /popular. I will just show you in app.js file. This is the popular app, popular root. In the state, first of all, popular data will be empty. We will be fetching using popular movies API. If we get JWT token from cookies, then API will be fetched using get method. After that, all the response will be logged in. You can see it here. All the movie result, like title winner, poster bar, and this updated data will be stored in popular data array, which will be provided here. And if the response is failed, then the failure view will be loaded. I will show you. You can see here is the message, something went wrong, please try again. If you try again, it will try to re-render the page. And if this success, it will be load successful. And header and footer component are common component of all over there, so I will provide them separately like this. I will show you something. Before that, you can see there is a home, popular tab and search icon, but after I change it to the mobile view, you can see there is only search icon, and there is a hamburger menu, and all this will included. All these tabs are included in the menu items for mobile users. And if you click on the close button, it will be disappear. So you can also see the mobile view. And this is the top rated movies, this is original movies, and you can also go to the popular section in mobile view. Let's go further. If I click on any movie poster, I will redirect it to movie details page. This is the movie details component. You can see here titles, hours and minutes. This is the title, this is the hour and minutes component, this is the rating component, the rating element, this is the year element, and this is the description of movie, and this is the play button. Before entering any data, the movie details, genres, spoken languages, and similar movie is an empty array. So you can see here gens data, audio available, rating count, budgets, and release date. All this data fetched from APIs. So I will show you here. If we now go to the console, we are able to see here is the 38 items in this array. All have a unique ID and unique postal path. This is the gens data which I have fetched from the API. And this is the here is you can see the rating, release date, runtime, and title. And I use a link which is component of React Router DOM. This will help you to go to the each movie details whenever click on the movie poster. Here you can see we have a poster path and title. Here is the similar movies, and after that there is the account component. Here is the account component. I will show you. If you click on profile icon here, you will navigate it to the account root, and here is the title, and here is we have while login we have provided this Gmail and password, and here is the plan details, which plan user have. Here you can see here, if you go to the inspect, go to the application, if you go to the local storage, you can see the username and password stored here. In the login page, you can see here I set a local storage.setItem method. Using local storage.setItem method, I have stored username and password. And in the account page, I got this from local storage. So this will this will get the length of the password and convert it into the stars. So it will be hidden. Here you can see the username props. If you provide another username, the username will be updated here. Here is the plan details, which plan user have, and there is also logout button. If we click on the logout button, all the cookies and JWT token are removed from the local storage and cookies. Here you can see on click logout method will be called, and if we click on the logout button, we will redirect it to the movies login page. I think you all understand it clearly. If you have any doubt, you can ask me about any time.